What's up guys, and here we go. It seems like Samsung is finally awake and they're about to upgrade a feature that they haven't touched in 3 years. At long last, it's happening on the Galaxy S23 series, and this latest leak actually hits two birds with one stone, giving us what we want but also not giving what some people may have expected. We also have a super exciting upgrade regarding the Android 13 beta news. Alrighty, in case you don't know, Samsung actually never upgraded the front camera sensor on their Galaxy S flagship phone since the Galaxy S10 series. We've seen the same 10 megapixel front camera across 3 generations up until Galaxy S22 lineup. This finally changes as Samsung is working on a new front camera upgrade coming at 12 megapixels for the S23 and the S23 Plus, and for the Galaxy S23 Ultra we could see a new 40 megapixel selfie sensor, or maybe even beyond that. Considering they're going with a 200 megapixel sensor for the S23 Ultra when it comes to the back camera, they can very well upgrade the front camera as well. In case you guys forgot, the last time Samsung upgraded the megapixel count on its flagship phone, they did that with both front and back camera sensor, if you remember, with the Galaxy S20 Ultra. I would love to see a monster selfie camera upgrade for the Ultra model, which brings us to the next question, which is related to the under-screen camera. As of now, there's no rumor that Samsung is working on an under-display camera for the Galaxy S23 Ultra. Considering the current state of under-display camera that we have seen on the latest ZTE Exon 40 Ultra, which I checked out myself, the selfie quality is improved, but it's far from ideal for brands like Samsung and Apple to take the risk. They're definitely not there yet when it comes to photos, when it comes to videos, compared to a traditional selfie sensor. The Galaxy S23 series is about 5 to 6 months away from the launch, so I don't think it's enough time for Samsung to do some breakthrough with the under-display camera. We're most likely going to see UDC happening in 2024 or 2025. So yeah, let me know what you think about this new front camera upgrade happening after 3 years on the S23 series. Also in the news, the Galaxy S22's Android 13 beta firmware was spotted, hinting that the update might be coming very soon, at least in South Korea. It's reported that the first Android 13 beta could drop as soon as July, which is the fastest beta drop ever. Samsung is set to do some big things with the One UI 5.0, from the overall look to the speed. I'm super excited for that, and this time it's reported that more countries will be able to join the beta program to experience the next generation of One UI software. Also, we have another great news coming exclusively from sammobile.com. They said that Samsung will offer Galaxy Z Flip 4 in Bespoke edition. In case you don't know, this is where you can customize your Galaxy Flip phone according to your taste, add different colors and different combination, and this time Samsung will offer more color combinations than before, and it will be launched in more markets than ever. This is an incredible move because they had a lot of great success with last year's Z Flip 3 Bespoke edition, so doing this with Z Flip 4 makes absolute sense. So that's all the latest news. If you guys are new here, be sure to subscribe. With that being said, I'll see you guys later. Peace out.